Hello everyone, my name is Sohel. Today we are going to discuss about sequential sequential shell algorithm using Python. The sequential search is a very basic structure. Uh, we have a sorted array and an unsorted array, and we have some array, a sorted array or unsorted array. We want to search, for example, in this unsorted array, we want to search 77. So, so we can do that. We can start the search from the first one, 54. Then, if it is not the title, then I will go on the second search or third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and goes on. I will repeat this 77 until that I find out particular key, or in some worst cases I can go for 65, which is the last. Even then the item may not found. So two possibilities: identifying the key from its left or right, or in some cases the particular item cannot be proceeded into the list. A sample code. This is a code for a sample for user defined function. A user defined function def defining a function. This function name is sequential underscore search. This particular function takes two input, which is list, which may be a sorted one and unsorted one. The second input is key, what you want to find out in the list. So initially the index is in Python, the index start with 0. Another variable is a boolean intentionally, which is making as a false. We don't know how many items you have to put. So what we can do, that we can define a while loop. It contains two things, which is index less than length L, and not found. Length L means how many numbers are present in the array list. If there are 5 elements, for example 11, 23, 58, 31, 56, 79, 68, 22, 15, 19. The middle element is 50. We know that the start and the middle starting index is from 0. So the index must be less than the length of array. For example, it must go from 0 to 9, and which I'm just using a logical and that the length and are not found should be true. And both the condition and the index is true, the index is less than length L. Now we are going to check if L of index, initially the index is 0, L of 0 is equal to the key. For example, we can take the example 31. L of 0 is 11. 11 is equal to 31. This condition is not true, then it comes under false. Now just we are increasing the index. Now we are increasing the index by 1. Index is equal to 1, and again it goes for the while loop. Index 1 less than 10. This condition is true, and the found is not changed, and not found is true. This also satisfies. Now again we are checking L of index L of 1 is equal to double equal to 31. L of 1 is equal to 33, so very much is equal to 31. Then now the index is 2, while 2 is less than 10. This is 2 and it is true because we have not updated the false. Then L of 2 is equal, which is 58. 58 is equal to 31, but that is not true. Then how the index is 3. L of 3 less than 10 while loop and true. L of 3 which is 31 double equal to 31. It is true, so found is equal to true. Found is updated to true. It won't go for else part. It again come for the again while loop. Index is not updated. The previous index is 3. The 3 less than 10 and not found, and not true is false. And this goes for the while condition. If we found a double equal to 2 is true, then print key, then the key is 31. 31 is found at the index 3. Suppose we are putting an example like all the while loop is over. Now if the key is not present at the item, then it will print the else part. The key is not found. Now for the Python code, def sequential is equal def sequential search L and key. Then the sequential shell for L, L19, we are getting the output. For example, we can keep as 28. Then the output will be element not found. Analysis of sequential search. There are 3 cases: best case, worst case, and average case. There are 2 cases: item is present and item is not present. For each of these cases, the best case, worst case, and average case. Here is a list of n items. There are n items in the list. There are 0 to n minus 1. In the best case, the item is present. In the worst case, there are n items, and in average case, there are n by 2. Thank you.